What is cracking, YouTube? It's the Shoe Bully coming at you from my Galaxy, baby. Today we got the Nike Zoom Rookie Galaxy editions, man. Unfortunately, again, I was not able to cop my size. So if you want to trade a 7, an 8, or a 9 for an 11.5, please comment down below or DM my Instagram page at the Shoe Bully. Really trying to get these in my size, man. So if y'all can assist, please do. Without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get into these. There's the shoe. Boom! Lift off, baby. As you can see, we got a suede upper with the Nike check on the toe box. And then you've got like a mesh liner similar to the Foamposite. And then on the top of that liner, you've got an emblem that's actually Velcro and removable, which is pretty cool. It looks like the NASA aviation emblem, but instead of NASA, it says Nike. And then it has the remove before flight on the tag here and on the heel tab. You got another one on the back, big old juicy one, like they put on the Galaxy foams. And then again, similar to the Foamposites on the side, you've got the Foamposite material with the same Galaxy colorway that they did on the foams. And then you've also got these little indentions in here that look like craters, like similar to the moon. You've also got that on the bottom, along with some carbon fiber. I really love what they did with this shoe, man. And plus, these bottoms, man, they kind of look like an ice bottom, but I wouldn't really call them an ice bottom. But they glow in the dark, baby. So we're gonna show you some of that action. And man, let me know in the comments what y'all feeling about these. Would you rock? Would you cop? Would you stock? Man, let me know. Let the Shoe Bully know, man. And that's all we got for y'all, man. I'm about to blast off like a Martian into my Galaxy, baby. Woo!